Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to go ahead and film this quick little haul for you guys. I picked up some stickers from both these shops. Okay, so I have one from Super Sticker Planner, and then I have one from Sticker Guru. Super cute packaging. Super nice. Okay. I think we'll start off with Super Sticker Planner. Now I picked up these because my daughter is a Daisy. She's in Girl Scouts her second year. And I needed definitely more stickers so that I could go ahead and use them in my planner for her. Thank you for your order. Super cute little card. And then you get another little freebie with these little unicorns. How cute! Of the colors. I did pick up some date dots. I don't have a lot of date dots in my collection, so I thought these would be great. And I did pick up a couple different colors. Super cute, and so far they look really nice. I did use them in one of my plan with me's and they were pretty great. So I picked up this Girl Scout sticker sheet. I think those I'm gonna use for like when they have events and things like that. I think those would be really cute. I think this is another little freebie. Love the colors, super like pastel-y like. And these, so I think these are pretty big sheets, but I really think that I'm going to use these for like when they have meetings. They do meet every Monday once school starts, so I think those would come in handy. But this is all I picked up from Super Sticker Planner. Now, I picked some up from Sticker Guru. Cute little thank you card. Okay, so I picked up her Blooming Rose Coiled Foil Weekly Kit. Ooh, the foiled date dots that go with the kit. Super cute. Ugh, all this artwork is so pretty. Bloom where you are planted. How cute. I love all of this artwork. Super summery. Overall, super pretty. Oh, so we have more of the pretty colors, some more strips, some date covers that go really well with the date dots, some bows, super pretty. And then we have more headers to do today, some more full boxes, half boxes, and then, oh, this deco is super cute. I really like the washi strips. I like that they're separated. I've been into that look lately. So it's super cute overall. All the colors just really pretty. So you get 4 sheets and you get the date dots. Super cute. Okay, I picked up this kit. I could not pass it up. This office kit. Again, it came with date dots. Super cute, but oh my gosh, I'm such a nerd when it comes to the office. Like, ugh, this whole kit is just, I'm loving it. I'm definitely loving it. I think they picked really good episodes to do the full boxes too, like that. That episode with Dwight was so funny. See, the colors are awesome. Again, like all blue and pink. I really like that they made it like super girly, but at the same time, it's like the office, super cute. The foil, again, you get the same sheets. See the washi strips. Oh, the Dundies, the Office Olympics. I'm such a nerd when it comes to the office. I love it. But anyways, this washi strip, super cute. I like that it's pink and blue again. Ugh, I love this kit. I almost don't want to use it because I just love it so much. Again, such a cute kit. I also picked up her May monthly kit. I did use this in May for Mother's Day. I don't think I ever posted it, but I did use this one for my old planner that I had that it didn't fit, but it still turned out really great. I loved it all. So you get more of the strips in here, and then you get some full boxes, you know, to cover the days, some of the days on there. Super cute. I love those. And then I also did get the This Month kit that came with that artwork. I thought those were super cute, and I really liked the whole idea that it was like currently, you know, what I was watching, reading, loving, improving, planning. I thought that was super cute, and then I could go back and look on it. I was planning to use these for pictures, and I think those turned out really cute. The whole idea was just awesome. I've never used this kind of setup for the notes page to put pictures, but I thought it was super cute, so that's what I'm planning on using it for. I also picked up her June monthly kit. And again, this one's super cute. Peaches. Ugh, all the colors were so pretty, and then all the little icons on there. Flag Day. What else? Vacation, things like that. You get little date dots at the cover, some extra washi strips. Again, all the peaches, super cute, and then it does give you the next month as a square on there too. Thought those were all super cute. And I did get, again, the notes kit for it. I couldn't pass it up. I just thought I had to, get the matching ones. So definitely super cute. I will be purchasing more of these just because I really like the whole layout of them. But yeah, those boxes super cute overall. But yeah, this is everything that I picked up. Super quick haul. I really enjoyed, all of these kits so far. That one my favorite for sure. The artwork, super cute. Definitely recommend checking these shops out. Ugh, I'm looking for more Girl Scout stickers, so if you guys do have any recommendations on those, please let me know. Because I'm trying to build my collection. These look really cute, and they have like kiss cut, so they're pretty precise. Again, date dots, all the colors super cute. But yeah, I really enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. I'll try to post more. But I really hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.